Hello all, welcome back. Ajio unboxing coming up. This time not only for adults but for kids too. Stay tuned and enjoy.
Let's start the unboxing from Ajio and see what are we getting inside. Let's open the first one. Here there is a hoodie for kids of pure jeans material. The MRP is 999 but I got it for around 300 rupees. All the buttons are working fine. No damages. Inside it is like this. You have got the threads to tighten up, and this is back side. So this is all about this product, and let's go to the next one, which is also a kids wear, and it is a shirt. It's a casual shirt for kids, for boys. There is a good pattern, kiddie look. The MRP is 899 but I got it for around 260 rupees. This is the back side. Full hands, everything is good about this shirt also. I haven't returned it. So this is it. Let's go to the next product, which is a shirt. This is a men's shirt. Very sober look it is having, and the MRP is 1499 but I got it for, you'll be shocking listening to this, it's 375 rupees. Buttons are working fine. All these are from Ajio brand itself, and these are good products. I have been using Ajio brand products from many days. They are good. And yeah, this is the last product. This is a kind of kurta for men. The color is also good, very sober. All the links will be provided in the description, so if you want to order, you can directly go to that link and order. This one I got it for 425 rupees, which is a very cheaper rate. So this is it. Subscribe for more such products. Thank you.
Hope you like the video. For more such interesting stuff, keep subscribed.